Hey, Ethan, what are you doing, bud? Look, your cell phone. Go get it. Did you just look at you skating for it? Get it. Good job, bud. Good job. You've almost got it. Yay! You got Mama's cell phone. Get Mama's cell phone. Good job, bud. Good job. So proud of you. Oh, you can't go that way. Here, come here. Come here. Get some more. Good. Here. Okay, get it. You got it? You got it. All right. Good job, bud. So proud. Good boy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.